Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can make reverse forward control in XINJE PLC. But before start this video, like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. Let's get started. First of all, we will open our XINJE XC Pro tool and here we will create a new project. You can just select from here which model you have. You can select. I have XC242 model and I will click it OK, and this interface will be OK. It's very simple and easy method. Just take a one input address, for example X0 I will take, and click OK. And next you have to be take one output which is can give the name, for example Y0, and this is your look like a reverse control. For example, you can give the comment reverse motor, and if you like to be show the comments with also, and you can click it here, show node comment. Okay, and you can see now our comments are now shown. And next you have to be take one more output input, for example X1 we will take, and this is our forward motor. Out Y1 we can choose, or Y4 also we can choose, any which is your. And this is also you can give the comment name, FWD motor, and click OK. And now if you like to be hold this system, so you have to simply take the open contact one here, click and take the open contact, and this you can give the X2, for example, no sorry, Y0, and you can click enter, and just this line you have to be make it connect upside. Just click it the area where you like to be make it line, and after you can connect, and here you can connect the close contact, that you can give the name, for an example X2 we can give. This is when start X0 will be start, and when you like to be stop this one with the X2 you can make the stop control. And same as you have to be give the address open contact of the LD Y1 and click enter, and after you can make the line upside connect, and here you can give the close contact of the X3, for example, because of when you press the X0 your motor will be start in reverse condition, and when you press it X1 after your motor will be starts forward condition, and when you press X2 your Y0 will be close, and when you press X3 your Y1 will be close, means forward motor. This is your reverse relay and this is your forward relay. And most important thing, you have to be make it here close contacts of the interlock system, means when you run this one Y0, maybe operator press this X1, your motor no needs to be on. Okay, so what we will do, we just take the one close contact here of the y1 and click enter, and here we can give the close contact of the y0. So this is now our interlock. When you press this one, your y0 will be on, and when you press this one x1, your y1 will be on. But in case of, if motor is running in the y0, means reverse condition, your y will be never on. If it's on, after thinks your program is not okay. So this program will be downloaded in the PLC and check in the physical condition. This also x0 and x1, this is also you can give the names start and stop. That's nothing issue, later we will be check, and just start the PLC, and after you can press the x0, and after we will see our y0 will be on. Can see our y0 is now on. And also if we like to see in the camera, I will make it this one small, and we can our webcam, this I will make it here, and we can make it our webcam here in the corner. Okay, you can see I press this one x0, and our y0 is now on. This is our reverse motor, for example. And when I press the x2, after our y0 will be off. When I press the x2, after y0 will be off. You can see our y0 is off. And when I press the x1, after you can see our y1 is now on. And as I press the x3, our y1 will be off. But instead of, once you can see now our y0 is on, but if I press this one x1, after you can see our y1 will be not on. Can see signal is coming, but y0 will be, y1 will be not on, because of this is our interlock. Now our y1 is running, so when y1 will be stopped, after our y1 will be start. I will start this y0, and again I will press the x1. You can see our y1 is on. And if you like to just inching it in jog condition, so what we will be do, we will stop this, we will stop our program, and just we remove this y0, delete, and this is also you can delete from here, and this is also you can delete, and this one also you can delete, and this line you also can delete. Now this is very simple. When you press this x0, y0 will be on. When you press x1, your y1 will be on. And this is x2 and x3 also you can remove. This is no needs this buttons. And you, oh sorry, this is, here we can put the LDI y1. This is our interlock, and this also you can control this one. And one more interlock also you can design. Here also you can give the signal, here close contact of the x0, and here you can give the close contact of the x1. After your both system will be protected. Once you press the x0, maybe operator press the x1, but your output will be not on. Only single direction will be on, reverse or forward. This is the safety. And again download to the PLC this program, and start monitoring. And now also we will be testing our, we will be test our logic in the camera also. I will press the x0, and you can see our y0 is now on. And when I press this one x1, after our y1 will be on. But in this, if I press this, both will be any motor not on. Y0 will be stop. Okay. This is called interlock system, and also this is jog system. Yani. So hope guys you will be understand about this control reverse forward how we can design. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.